Can you actually withdraw cash from Monese? You've probably heard of Monese. It's that digital bank that promises to revolutionize how we handle money. But let's be real, in a world that's becoming increasingly cashless, the question is, can you actually withdraw cash from Monese? I know, it might seem like a silly question in this age of contactless payments and digital wallets. But trust me, this is a valid concern for many. After all, there are still times when cash is king. Maybe you need to pay for something that doesn't accept cards, or perhaps you simply prefer the tangible feeling of holding money in your hands. So, can you withdraw cash from Monese? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk a bit about what Monese is and why it's gaining popularity. Monese is essentially a mobile banking app that allows you to open a bank account without the need for a physical branch. You can send and receive money, make payments, and even set up direct debits, all from your smartphone. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible, making it a popular choice for young people and those who are always on the go. But back to the main question, how does withdrawing cash from Monese work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Monese provides you with a debit card linked to your account. You can use this card to withdraw cash from ATMs around the world. It's just like using any other debit card. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you might incur fees for ATM withdrawals, depending on your Monese plan and the ATM network. Some ATMs might also charge their own fees. So, it's always a good idea to check the terms and conditions of your Monese account and be aware of potential charges. Second, there might be limits on how much cash you can withdraw at once or within a specific period. This is a standard security measure implemented by most banks, including Monese. So, if you need a large amount of cash, you might need to plan ahead. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of withdrawing cash from Monese. On the plus side, it's convenient to have access to your money whenever you need it. You don't have to worry about carrying around a lot of cash, which can be risky. Plus, Monese offers competitive exchange rates, so withdrawing cash abroad might be cheaper than using a traditional bank. On the downside, as mentioned earlier, there might be fees involved. Also, relying solely on cash can be inconvenient in today's digital world. Most businesses accept card payments, and there are many benefits to using digital transactions, such as fraud protection and transaction history. So, should you withdraw cash from Monese? Well, it depends on your personal preferences and lifestyle. If you find yourself needing cash regularly, then it's definitely a convenient option. However, if you prefer to go cashless as much as possible, you might want to explore other ways to manage your money. Ultimately, the decision is yours. The important thing is to understand your options and choose the method that works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.